And we've also been joined by Asta. Asta, thanks so much for joining in. We've got a caller, Dheeraj from Hyderabad, asking about Waaree Energy. And this is a counter that is in focus on the back of earnings as well. Let's see what it's doing today. It's up about 6% today as well. And it has gained quite considerably in the recent past. He's bought at levels of 2,480. Dheeraj, very good morning to you. How can we help you today?
Good morning, sir. I'm holding Waaree Energies at 2480.
Okay.
So today are the company's earnings actually.
Yes.
They declare their quarterly earnings.
Yes.
So can I hold it for some more time, or should I exit in the rallies is my query regarding the technical.
Yeah. It's a good question. Okay, so regarding technicals, okay. So Swati, I'm coming back to you. Of course, Waaree Renewables was in focus earlier last week on account of results, and Waaree Energy also gaining ahead of its earnings. Would you book at this stage or would you hold on?
Since today we have a result, so the volatile trading session is likely to be continued. But looking towards momentum, the counter is already 6.5 to 7% on the upside. I believe at least partial profit should be booked at the current market price, though the upside is very open for this particular counter. Nearby 2650, 2670 levels can be seen on the intraday basis as well. But at the current level, you should book your partial profits so that your half a profit will get in pocketed. And for the second half, you can hold on this particular counter with a trailing stop loss of 2500 rupees on the downside. For immediate target will be 2670 and 2700 levels on the high side.
Okay, all right. So that's a view on Waaree Energies. Let's talk about the next question, and it is for you, Asta. On the long-term basis, Bharat Dynamics is the name of the counter, and we've got Major Suresh Kumar Nair, who's got this question. Evidently, from his description, he knows what he's talking about when he's invested in the defense space, and indeed, he's making money on this as well. He's got a long-term view that he's seeking on Bharat Dynamics. He's bought at levels of 1,233, and he's holding 600 shares. He purchased in March, and this is, I guess, when the stocks were under a little bit of pressure. What's the view on the long-term basis? Because especially in the context of a reiteration by the defense minister of a 50,000 crore target in the next few years for exports. So we're talking about firing on both cylinders, domestic demand, of course, for defense, but on the export front as well.
Right. So regarding export, I would like to throw one point here is that they are having the estimated order book of around 200 billion, out of which export order book is at around 20 billion, right? So strong order book they are having. And what we are believing that in the results coming, we can see the surge in the EBITDA margin because of the niche technology on which they are working. So looking after all these factors, in fact, their Q3 performance was also on average mark. So looking together after all these points, I think, yes, it is a story to believe on for a long term. And I would like to recommend stay on for this counter. Initial price target can be set at somewhere around 1600 to 1700 odd levels.